Site score of a journal. Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will talk about the site score of a journal. Site score of a academic journal is a measure reflecting the early average number of the citation to the recent article published in that journal. This is the early average number of citation to the recent article published in that journal. This journal evaluation metric was launched in the December 2006 by the Elsevier as an alternative to the generally used JCR impact factors. Site score is based on the citation recorded in the Scopus database rather than in the JCR, and those citations are collected for article published in the preceding 4 years instead of 2 or 5. Calculation, old calculation is there, site score, journal impact factor is there. Calculation, if any given year the site score of a journal is the number of citation received in that year and previous 3 years of the document published in the journal during the period 4 years, divided by the total number of published documents, article reviews, conference paper, book chapters and data papers in the journal during the same 4-year period. CSY is given by the citation Y, citation Y minus 3, citation Y minus 3 for the journal published in the previous years. Publications Y minus 1, publications Y minus 2, publications Y minus 3. For example, Nature had a site score of the 2019 of the 15.1.0. CS 209, citation 2019, citation 2018, citation 2017, citation 2016, publication 2019, publication 2018, publication 2017, and the publication 2016. This gives this score. Note for that example that the 217 site score were reported first in the 2019 when all data was available completely. Site scores are typically released in the late May, approximately 1 month earlier than the JSR impact factors. Note also the calculation date for the each given site score as a later addition. Correction to the deletion to the data will be lead to the A score update. Scopus also provides the projected site score for the next year, which are updated every month. Old calculation before 2020, the score was calculated differently in a given year. The site score of the journal was the number of the citation received in that year of the article published in that journal during the 3 preceding year, divided by the total number of the citable items published in that journal during the 3 preceding years. CSY, citation Y, publication Y minus 1, publication Y minus 2, publication Y minus 3. Nature had a citation score of the 14.5C in 2007. CS 2007 means the citation 2007, publication 2006, publication 2015, publication 2004. This is calculated 14.1. Knowing the calculation date is an important detail when the comparing the site score. This site score 2007 calculated on the method with the method of 2020 is the 15.7. Site score versus the journal impact factor. Site score was designed to complete with the 2-year JSR impact factor, which is currently the most widely used journal metric. Their main differences are as follows: parameter, evaluation period, database, number of index journal, essays, evaluated items. 2. Site score 4, JCR, Scopus, 11,000, 22,000, subscribers, anyone, articles review, all publication. The another difference is the definition of the number of the publications. This is the references is there. Site score versus American Chemical Society, Green Nature Group Journal 277 data is given here. The values for the Nature Journal lies above the expected 1-point linear dependence because those journals contain a significant fraction of the editorials.